All right, hello again. Let's see. Um, First thing that I saw when I uh, started, it was like, oh, enjoy 1 million free tokens. And then I think if I go to my subscriptions, I have 2.6. Uh, and then yeah, and then it's my pro account is like done. I have to buy more. So for the future, it will be very important to see also the economical part of this. And so I need to write better prompts. But let's take this just in consideration for the future. And I also found some errors. So let's say I got here error of the insufficient permission. I know it's about Firebase rules, um, but if I just go here and you will see like, oh, failed to list the details. But if I log in, let's say like this, then I will be able to list, so I can see it here, and also book now and everything. But if I'm not logged in, I won't still be able to see listing. So this I need to fix. Also, maybe one other thing. Yeah, let's see. I mean, if I'm specific, I mean, if I'm gonna tell them, tell the bolt like, if I'm not logged in, I cannot see my all, not on my, but all the listing of the houses. Then he will probably look at the Firebase rules, or also make some if else statement. If not logged in, just show the listing and that kind of stuff. But yeah, they are, as I can see in the error, this is the problem. But let's pretend I don't know anything about code and just give him this. If I'm not logged in, I cannot see the listing. So yeah, attempt to fix then. And of course we have only 2.6 million tokens, so we will need to check this. Yeah, check this out in making better prompts and more structure to, yeah, and efficiency, how to build everything. Potential problems show. Sometimes it doesn't work if I click here. I don't know why. So what could be problem? Just said I attempt to fix. I have internet, so that's good. We're trying. Okay, so it went to the rules, Firebase rules. So yeah, this should be updated. So let's go to yeah, read if true. So that's good. To properly fix the issue, I would need to see contents of the to check how the list fetching. Yeah, yeah, I could do that, but let's first update our I call it. Let's update the Firebase rules. All right, so on not service database rules, and let's search for listing of yeah, listings allow read if true with ID. I mean, if I see this and compare to this, yeah, it's good. Allow create authenticated, okay, okay, but allow read if true, that's, yeah, okay. So I don't need to do anything here. It's good. Yeah. Could you please provide these files? I can identify. Yeah, this is the file. Yes. Can you please check files? You have access to my code. Alright, so it's gonna check this out, I hope, and then we're gonna see if it's going to fix it. So look into the code, I see the issue, the listing. Alright, let's pause. I have to do something and then I will come back, but let's check it out if it's working. It takes time, right? Okay, so let's go here and see. Yeah, it's still same problem, missing efficient. Yeah, I could say like, yeah, this is my listing and it works. Okay, let's see that. This is my listing and then attempt to fix. All right, so I update the rules to allow public access based on the error providing rules. I can see that's actually no issue with the rules themselves. The rules are specified allow it for the listing connection means that anyone be able, yes. And then missing insufficient permission despite having correct rules suggests that there may be issue with being fetched. Yeah, to identify the fix specific issue, could you please share the content of? Okay, this is a little bit weird because he has all permission to watch to see my code. But let's find out like pages and then listings and then listing details. So I can just do this and ask. Here is the code. Have a look and try to fix this issue. So if you considering this like to put it live, and I came many times across this problem, the most important thing should be to test this everything. So if you test everything but not manually takes time. So if I would make all end-to-end tests, like open the browser, do this, do that, that part would be most important because you cannot rely on this, like making bold the whole application. It will make some faults of some security issues. So the main thing that is now important is not how to write the code, but how to test if the written code is good. So that now, I mean, I could say test-driven application is right now very important. All right, so we have still the same problem. I will try to fix it again, but I hope I will I will do it with only prompts and try to be here creative as possible and not go to the code and check all this. I mean, it would be easy, but that's not the point. All right, so yeah, let's keep trying. So let's go further. So I have the same problem. Let's try to attempt to fix. Hopefully, I mean, it was weird that he didn't go to my code to check it first, but he's right now doing the same. Hopefully, he will go to the code. I mean, he has all access. So this thing is kind of weird. I didn't came across this, that he is not going to try to fix it. And why? Could you please additional files so I can identify root cause? Okay, I will just tell you have all the permission of the to see and edit code. Why don't you go and have a look at. So yeah, I'm curious. Let's see. Why don't you go and have a look at it? Okay, I reviewed the code. I can see the issue. The error occurs because you're trying to convert Firestore timestamp to dates without properly checking if they exist or in the correct format. Let me fix listing details component handle this more robustly. Okay, I hope it's not gonna break some code. I came across many times at the Bolt that he fixed something but it breaks something else. So that's why it's important to have all kind of you know, more like if you are looking at this code, like make this coming from the other file, so make some more chunks so it will not take also this long to rewrite everything, so to work more in chunks. So right now yeah, he's fixing this and I can test it if he fixed the problem, but then I have to fix all of I have to test everything else if that's working. Okay, he failed even to do this. Okay, updated rules allow reading bookings for available checks. Okay, so I have to go, if you see Firestore rules, then you have to go to the code. It's not connected like here Supabase. It's he has all permission also to write everything there, so that's good. And this is also great one if you want to add payments. All right, so let's go to the rules and see what did he make. Like match if true. Okay, update. he said bookings. So allow to read. Allow reading approved. Bookings for listing available checks. Yeah, that's good. Maybe that was the problem. All right, reviews, no. Yeah, only this. All right. Where is the? Here it is. Bookings. Let's paste this. I mean, I even didn't check this yet, and this is crucial if you're gonna go live with this code. But let's do that later on. All right, so right now that's done. Let's go to the preview and let's open up in other tab. Pop-up is always allow. It's good. Connect. Oh, I don't know what just happened. But let's go here and also refresh it because it's a React application. All right, so let's see if I'm able. Yeah, so right now I'm able to view, but the problem could be that I don't know, there's something else that needs to be fixed. So I have to test everything again. So as I can see, right now the tests are very important, and all tests needs to be written like automatically. And when I'm done with this feature, I could say okay, click and test if everything works fine. So I don't have a lot of subscriptions, so they are like, okay, I used some of it, or I will go and buy even more. But let's test. Let's write all tests because that's very important. Okay, as I remember, I did ask ChatGPT, but let's do it again. Let's say, okay, I'm not logged in. Oh, I'm logged in. All right, so I know that there are many test frameworks, and I know one, Cypress, Cypress something, testing framework. I need to ask alt.new to have a look at my code and write complete end-to-end tests. So after making some new features, I could run all tests and be sure nothing is broken. All right, so yeah, let's see. Hey, Bolt, new features to my app. I want to make sure that nothing breaks as we move forward. That's good. Add test ID attributes available, cover critical flows, navigation, submission, make sure. Okay. I want even more, like not only critical, use everything. Let's see, not only above, but all the points. Okay, so let's see. Prompt using one to automate. Okay, I'd like to cover all critical flows, include tests for both path failure states, invalid input failure request conditional states. Use test ID where available for reliable selectors. Make test modular, reusable. Okay, that's good. All right, so I think this could be good. All right. So yeah, let's try. I hope it will take everything and think on its own, but I expect that he will not think about every single detail and that I will need to go and check it out. But let's see, what is he going to do? Okay, he's building some tests, it's good, listings, and then I hope, okay, bookings, okay, it's very smart. So he's taking each thing like bookings, listing, reviews, authentication, workflow, okay, workflow, cool. All right, so this is good. I didn't remove this, let's remove it. Okay, so he made it. I set up compressor, so it covers test infrastructure, configuration, GitHub Actions. Yeah, I have to set this up. Customer commands, command operation, test suites, authentication, that's good. Listing, booking, review, helper commands, yeah, that's good. So I'm very satisfied with this. But let's see, there's some errors. No. I see the blank page, I don't know why. Let's see how it's here. Nothing yet. Still nothing yet. All right, so I have it here. It's working. That's good. But. All right, so to run the tests, I think I cannot run the tests here in the Bolt, which is too bad. But I could run it locally. I just have to give the URL. But let's see. Here. Okay, start dev. Yeah, okay. So right now I think the problem is to run it on my own, and I will try to do this live. And later on I will edit all the videos to make a good structured tutorial. All right, so let's go. Okay, maybe I can ask, would you like to help me with any of these steps? How can I run these tests from Bolt, or I need to place it on some other server? Um, right, let's. I mean, I can ask ChatGPT also, but let's see. You can run Cypress test directly in the Bolt. Okay, first let's add the necessary data, test ID attributes to components, then we can run the tests. Okay, this is kind of weird. I didn't expect this. I mean, and why did he update this? You can run directly. First, let's add necessary data testing attributes to components, then you can run the tests. Okay, some dummy data or something. Okay. This will run on your local development server, so make sure you are so it's running first. You can also use GitHub Actions workflow. Yes, this would be the best thing to make this workflow. So I set up to run tests automatically on a push. Yeah, that would be great. I'd like to add the data test ID attributes to more components to set up test that in Firebase. Yeah, this could be also a good one. Yes, please. I mean, right now it becomes technical, and so maybe if I like figure out how does it work, I could make it as non-technical as possible. But yeah, it is getting that way that it needs to be technical. So right now, listing cars, list review form, listing detail. Okay. So it's doing things like updating review form details. Right, run. Now you can run tests using. Tests will be run against your local development server. Make sure your server is running. But still, okay, maybe if I run it in a headless mode, could work. I hope like I could run it here in the terminal. Paste. Yeah, let's finish. Try to finish this update, and then when I'm running this, I will see if the Cypress will run. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Alright, so Airbnb run Cypress run, command not found. Oh, Cypress is not installed. Let's see npm install. Okay, I'm aware that it is now becoming technical, but till now we build everything with prompts, and we can still build it with the prompts, but as I could see, very important part is testing, because if you are going to the production with this, yeah, it can be dangerous, and yeah, somebody will hack it and do some things. So let's see. npm run Cypress. Cypress run. So no error yet. Right, so no version Cypress installed in Cypress. Please reinstall running. Okay. Let's do that. Cypress install. Installing. Okay. And then let's see if somebody made some tutorials on this. YouTube, yeah. All right, let's see. Cypress test on all. Right, Cypress in 10 seconds. Cypress testing with React, simple tutorial. But as I can see, it's not on the bolt. Component testing with Cypress, okay. That's all right. So I didn't find any tutorials on this, so it's kind of new. Let's then ask ChatGPT. Is it possible to run it on bolts? That's new. Run, yeah, something like this. Let's see. As of all the by Notion doesn't like the remote terminal, client terminal. It's more AI power generator tool, okay. But locally runs locally, okay. But maybe, yeah, to set this, that would be great. So if you push something to GitHub, it will run all the tests. If all pass, then push it to the live server or something. But let's see what's happening here. Download Cypress. So maybe will be even possible to run it here as headless. So let's wait. And later on, I could manage it to go to the, I call it to GitHub and set everything up. All right, so it did unzip it, install it, and let's try now if it's going to work. Okay, so no errors. All right, so we have an error. It looks like this is your first time using. Yeah, your system missing dependency. All right, so install and run again. Yeah, I think this is for the, I call it headless. I forget how to install. First apt get this. I think I need sudo. Let's see. Right. Let's something like this. Up. It is Ubuntu. So up get or install. Sudo update. Here. Yeah, sudo apt install. Maybe I don't have a permission on this machine. Oh, I didn't copy this. Let's go here. paste. No, maybe sudo su. No. Okay, so I don't have a permission here and we cannot run it here. But I could download this and run it locally, and then I could like set up a GitHub workflow. So there are two options that needs to be done. All right. So let's pause this and let's continue later on with how to run this Cypress or via GitHub or first on the local machine. But the best way would be like go to push it to GitHub, first run the test. If everything pass, then go back, then push everything live to the server. Yeah, all right, so let's try to do this in the next video.